Hi, my name is Gabriela. I am 7. I live in Lugo with my parents and my two brothers, Hernan and Tiago. Hernan is 4 and Tiago 1.5. Lugo is a small city in the northwest of Spain. It is a nice city with its big Roman wall, which is World Heritage. Its cathedral, its food, especially octopus. And also famous for its tradition and Roman celebration. Director, it was a pleasure meeting you.
And for me too.